My name is Linda and Zakri is my son. He loves to watch those cartoon animation series while having his meal.
Speaker, the head can like make sounds, and then the screen can shoot out light that has burning flames.
Since he liked to watch that, so let him be. Did you know screen time distracts children from enjoying their meal and may sometimes lead to overeating? Reduce distractions such as viewing screens. Now you finish up your food first.
I just put it far away from me. Then I just eat.
Hurry up, faster finish up first, okay? It takes about 20 minutes for a child to realize they are full after eating. Cut the child's food into small portions. Ask them to take their time to chew and enjoy the taste. Meal times are actually a great opportunity for parents to bond and have conversations with the child. Okay, come. Let's eat together. The food nice?
Yeah.
Nicer than mine. Based from what I learned today, we replace the device into conversations, the bonding. It's actually a good thing because I get to converse with him, spend more time together with him. You eat like that, you know like what?
Rabbit.
Yes.